Hey everyone, this one is near and dear to my heart. First of all, I love cookies, always have ever since I was a little girl. The fact that you can incorporate pumpkin and white chocolate just takes it over the top for me. A lot of times we see pumpkin pie, we see breads, we see all these different things, but very rarely do we see a pumpkin cookie. So let me tell you how simple and easy this is to make the most delicious and moist pumpkin cookie you've ever had. So I already incorporated my wet ingredients and my dry ingredients. You know, there's a pumpkin puree in here. Of course, there's salt in here, there's sugar in here. And what I love about it is I'm just gonna fold in now my white chocolate chips. And what I love about the white chocolate chips is they just provide that really great flavor. And this makes such a nice batter that you'll see here. Super easy to form, super easy to spread, and super delicious to eat. So once you have all of your ingredients incorporated inside, it's time to make the cookies. I'm just gonna take a little scoop here. I won't make them all. I'm just gonna take a little scoop here, and then I'm just gonna push them down with the back of my spoon and make super simple, easy cookies that you could even make with your granddaughter, with your daughter. It could become a family tradition. So here is the cookie finished. I cooked it at 350 degrees for about 12 minutes. I have my basic pumpkin white chocolate chip cookie and my pumpkin spice coffee, and I am ready to dig in.